The slowest animal in the world is the sloth. These furry creatures live in trees in Central and South America and are known for their slow movement and low energy levels. Sloths move so slowly that algae can grow in their fur, which helps to hide them from predators. There are two types of sloths, the two-toed and three-toed sloths, and both move at an average speed of about 0.15 miles per hour, 0.24 kilometers per hour. Even though they are slow, sloths are well suited to their environment and can survive in the rainforest by conserving energy and avoiding predators.